How to check Google Form responses. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can check Google Form responses. So let's get started. First of all, open any of the search engine, go to the search bar and search for Google Forms. And then you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you gotta click on Google Forms, that is online form builder. So you need to sign in with the account which you used for creating the Google form. So once you click on that and sign in with a particular account, you'll be redirected to an interface like this, and over here you'll be able to see the forms that are owned by you. So you can just select the form for which you wish to check the responses. So here I have clicked on this form and I wish to check the responses. So I'm going to click on responses. Here you can see there is one, that means there is one response for it. And then you can scroll down and see who has responded and which city they belonged to. And then you can see that do they do job or not. Here there's only one person, that's why it's 100% yes, and then what job they do and other stuff. And you can also click on question and filter the responses with respect to questions, or even check individual responses. So you can just click on summary, and if there are multiple responses you'll be able to see multiple numbers over here, like there'll be multiple of yes and no, and you can check what is the overall response of the particular survey. So that was how you can check the responses of Google Forms. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.